I'll put a poll out on my Instagram page asking what's your favorite fall cocktail, and one of the answers I got was old fashioned. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it's the same name, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. You can follow me on Instagram, and put a lot of recipes that I do in between videos, so you can kind of see some more stuff there. But going back to fall cocktails, someone saying old fashioned, one of the flavor profiles I think of when I think of fall is maple. So we're gonna do a maple old fashioned. So first thing you're gonna need, you can build it in a glass, you can build it in a mixing glass. I like to build them in a mixing glass. You're gonna need maple syrup. Low carb, that's not easy to come by. But I did come across this pure maple flavored syrup, and it's not maple, of course it's not. It's not low carb, it's not keto friendly. This has 27 grams of carbs, then it has 13 fibers, and then 10 grams of erythritol. So if you take out your fibers, you take out your erythritol, you're taking out 23 grams of carbs per quarter cup. Cup's 4 ounces. We're gonna be using 1 ounce. So that's just gonna turn out to be 1 gram of carbs per ounce in the pure maple flavored syrup. Now it is, on here, it does say some stevia leaf. I really didn't get that stevia aftertaste, and I really picked that up on anything stevia. I can't stand stevia. It's got such a bitter taste. I don't want it at all. But I thought I'd try this for you guys, and I don't really get that bitter stevia taste in it. I guess the erythritol is so heavy in it, you don't even notice it. So we're gonna go with 1 tablespoon and drop that in our glass. Next, we're gonna add some whiskey. I'm using a local blended whiskey from 7.3 Distilling, Irish Channel. It's a blend of a 10-year American corn whiskey and a 3-year Irish whiskey. So I'm gonna do 2 ounces of this. Ooh, not a whole lot left. And then your old fashioned, like I said, if you're not familiar with an old fashioned, it's a spirit, a sweetener, and a bitter. Most people use an Angostura bitters or some type of aromatic bitters. I kind of like orange with mine. So we're gonna use some Angostura orange bitters. We're gonna do 3 dashes. Before we add our ice, I do like to incorporate that syrup into the whiskey a little bit, so when it gets cold, it doesn't seize up. And here, 1, 2 large ice cubes. We're gonna give that a stir. And there you go. You wanna give it a stir about 30 seconds just to get that right dilution and a really nice chill on it. Okay, from here, get yourself an old fashioned glass. One large ice cube. I'm gonna strain that into your old fashioned glass. And next we'll do an orange swath for garnish. With your vegetable peeler, just cut yourself a nice piece, the width of the orange, from top to bottom. We're gonna go ahead and pinch that over the glass, expressing some of those orange oils into the drink. And then we're gonna go ahead and rim the glass as well, get some of the oils on the glass, and drop that in. Super simple, maple old fashioned, 3 ingredients. All right guys, thank y'all for watching. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click subscribe. Don't forget the little bell icon, and I'll tell you when I put a new video out. Y'all have a great day, because I know I will. Man, that's delicious. See y'all later.